Hello viewers, my name is Wahid Anwar and in this video we are going to learn how to define how to set WBS levels in Primavera P6. Now let's start with creating WBS levels. Okay, before setting WBS levels, you must know about WBS. Okay, what is WBS? WBS is a short form of work breakdown structure, and WBS is a deliverable oriented hierarchical decomposition of the work to be executed by the project team. Okay, to accomplish the project objectives and create the required deliverables. Okay, click on project, then click on WBS. As you can see, there is an icon, blue icon is also we have on our toolbar. That is the same icon we can use for WBS. Okay, just I click on it and I have opened a WBS window. Now you can see this window is showing on the top level to the project name. Okay, if your system is not showing the project name, so what you have to do, you will click on the view and you will click on group and sort by, and make sure you have choose WPS under group by field. Okay, like this, then click on OK. Now I have to add the WBS levels. Right here you can see there is a button in the top to the right side of your screen. Just click on it and when you notice that when I click on add, it's automatically indented. Okay, so actually I have already set WBS level in for MS Word format, so I will just copy and paste, copy and paste. You have to enter WBS name only, you will not change the WBS codes. Okay, so another I need to add, click on add to create another. Okay, I need to move this element to the left side, so that's why I will click here. Okay, move left node button, then I have to copy electrical infrastructure, then I will paste here. Okay, add one more, move left and copy. Next one is plumbing infrastructure. I'm going to paste here. Click on add, move left and inside wall development. Okay, as you can see here, I just set WPS levels in a world format, so I need to add few elements under primary structure. First is foundation development, copy and paste, choose primary structure, then click on add and paste here. Now I need to add one more and I will move left. The second one is interior wall development, copy and paste here, copy and paste. Okay, I need to just set this one. Okay, add one more and move left. This third one and last is roof development, copy and paste here. Okay, now next is layout, and I will choose layout topography, and I have to paste under foundation development. First choose foundation development, then click on add button and paste here. Layout, add one more and move left. choose next element. That one is excavation. Excavation. Hmm. I'll add one more. Okay, that one is concrete. Yeah. Okay. So like this, we can define, we can create WBS levels. Okay. If you will click on this column, so you can lost the hierarchical view. Okay. We can sort again ascending, descending, and in hierarchical view. Okay. Now click on activities screen. If your screen is out of order, so you need to refresh your screen. Go on file, then click on refresh data. Okay, now you can see your WBS is in a proper view. Okay, okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, see you in next video.